Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show how to get Udemy courses for free. Yeah, you heard right, you don't want to pay even a single rupee to this. So I will showing the free 100% coupon code. So let's get started. Here we have time series analysis and forecasting using Python. This course costs around 1920 rupees, but I will show you how to get this course for free. You just have to enter this coupon code which I have entered. You can see, pause the video for 1 minute for a second, and you can see, yeah, it's given absolutely for free by applying this coupon code. And next course is machine learning and deep learning, and I have already purchased this course, but you can find a link in the description. Next is Microsoft Excel Masterclass for business managers. This cost around 1920 rupees. Just we going to see how to get it for free. I will enter the coupon code. Yeah, we have entered. Now I just giving the apply. Now it become free, right? All the courses links in description. So don't skip the video, and please be careful to while entering the coupons. So if you any one is mistake, you can't get the course for free. So just pause the video for a second when I'm typing the courses coupons. So you can see this course also we got the for free. And next course is cost around 3200 rupees, but I will show you get the for free. So I just enter my coupon code and pause video for a second, and you can get what the code I have entered. And next is big data and Amazon Web Services, and these two I have already enrolled. I used to upload daily one video in YouTube about the online courses, Udemy courses for free, which is available for May 31st today, and some of the courses available for June 1st tomorrow. So whichever courses is available today, it may not be available tomorrow. So as soon as possible, please enroll it for future, and link given in description. Next course is data analytics with Excel pivot tables. This it will be a good course, I think, and these two I have already enrolled, but you can see the coupon code at top in URL, and I have already enrolled, right? So coupon code is already applied to me, so I given the coupon code applied this link in the description. Next course is Master in Microsoft Power BI Desktop and Service. It's cost around 1280 rupees, but we are going to get for free. Yeah, absolutely free. Just follow this coupon code carefully. Think it's just a difficult coupon code, I think. Yeah, we got it for free. Next, Microsoft Power, the same from Microsoft, but it costs around 6400. Let's see how to get this for free. Apply coupon code. Please be careful while entering the coupon code. Just pause the video for a second and follow my coupon code, and you can get it for free. And the only thing, you have to enroll within 24 hours, because after 24 hours it may expire. So tomorrow some of the courses will be for free, but today what we have for free may not be come for tomorrow. So however, after watching this video, please, you can find the link in description and you can enroll. And here the other course, the ultimate Python course, and Python courses are very useful, I think. And next, English course, or learning the English in the form of animations and dialogues. So I think this is one of the best course. I think you can develop your English to the next level. So please follow the coupon code carefully so that you don't miss the offer. Next one is Adobe Photoshop course, and I will show the coupon code for you. Just pause the video for a second and apply the same procedure. Just video pause for a second and follow the coupon code carefully, and print it in your apply coupon code section. And with the name, I have given the description link in the description. So these courses I have already enrolled, so coupon code is already applied. So coupon code already applied, URL I have given the description. So these courses you don't want to apply it manually, it is already applied. So next course also the same thing, I have already enrolled, right? So the coupon code was already applied, so you can find the link in the description. You don't want to manually put the code. It is already applied link, so you just give the touch the link and you will be get the course for free. Next is Python Introduction to Data Science and Machine Learning. This cost around 6,400 rupees, and I will give you for the absolutely free. Let's go to the section, apply coupon code, pause the video for a second, follow the coupon code, enter in your lap or mobile, and you can get it for free. It's great, right? Don't miss it, friends, and share with your friends too. 2021 how to attend the job interviews. This course costs around 8,640, but I will give it for you for free, absolutely for free, 0 rupees. You can get it, free. Next one is database testing MySQL, and MySQL course, and it's cost around 8,640 rupees. We just going to give the coupon code and you will be getting it for free. You got right. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye from Joel.